Hi, this is Simon Hill for Digital Trends, and today we're looking at some common problems with the LG G5, and we're going to try and offer up a few quick fixes to help you get it back on track. Now, the first thing to do if your G5's acting up, no matter what the problem is, maybe it's lagging a bit, or apps keep crashing, or it's overheating, is just to try simple turn it off and on again. So flip it over, hold down the power button on the back there, and this menu will pop up and you can choose power off and restart. If for any reason the menu doesn't pop up, if your phone's frozen, just keep holding the power button down and eventually you should feel it vibrate and the phone will restart. Another thing we often tell people to do when they encounter problems with their phones is to wipe the cache partition and get rid of that cache data, and LG's made it really easy to do on the G5. Pull down your notification shade, tap settings. You want to be on the general tab and you want to scroll down and find storage and USB under phone management, and it'll take a little minute to calculate how much is in each section. The one you're looking for is cache data. Once it's done calculating, tap on it and then you can tap OK to clear it, and sometimes that'll help with stability issues. The next thing worth trying, particularly if you're having network problems, say you can't connect to Wi-Fi or your connection's a bit flaky, you can go in, once again, pull down the notification shade, go into settings, on the general tab, scroll down until you find backup and reset, and there's a setting right here, network settings reset. Now you're going to have to set up your Wi-Fi password again and set up your Bluetooth connections, but this can help you get connections working when they've been a bit flaky. It's definitely worth trying. Your final nuclear option, of course, is to factory reset the phone. Now, make sure that you back up all your files before you do this, but it often works for solving problems. It's definitely worth trying. So you tap settings, once again it's under the general tab, backup and reset, go all the way to the bottom to factory data reset. One thing to bear in mind if you do a factory data reset, particularly if you think that you've had a problem caused by a third-party app, is to be careful when you set the phone up again that you don't just reinstall all the same apps. You might want to install them selectively one by one just so you can test whether the problem returns. So that's a few quick tips on how to fix your LG G5, and hopefully it helps you out.